Imagine holding in your hand a device that doesn't just look like the future, but feels like it. The kind of device that makes every other phone suddenly seem outdated. That's the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple's most ambitious and mysterious creation yet. This isn't just another iPhone launch, it's a signal that Apple is stepping into a completely new era of mobile technology, one where AI, performance, and design come together in ways that almost feel unreal. So if you think the iPhone 17 Pro Max was impressive, buckle up, because what's coming next might just change the definition of what a smartphone can be. Let's start with design, because Apple knows that the way something feels in your hand is just as important as what's inside it. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to bring a design evolution that's sleek yet powerful, familiar yet futuristic. We're talking about aerospace-grade titanium edges that melt into an almost invisible curve, a matte frosted glass back that softly glows under light, and whispers of a translucent version that subtly shows off the inner machinery of the phone. Not too much, but just enough to remind you that you're holding pure innovation. The bezels? Practically gone. The display stretches edge to edge, making you feel like you're holding nothing but screen. And for the first time, Face ID may finally be fully hidden beneath that display. No notch, no cutouts, no distractions. Just pure, uninterrupted immersion. Imagine unlocking your phone with your face, and you can't even see where the sensors are. That's the kind of magic Apple wants to bring back, and this time it's powered by a display that's brighter, smoother, and smarter than ever. The new Super Retina XDR 2.0 display is rumored to feature adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz all the way to 240 Hz, meaning everything from scrolling your feed to gaming at peak performance will feel buttery smooth, yet battery efficient. Speaking of battery, Apple is rethinking power from the inside out. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature the revolutionary A20 Pro chip, built on the cutting-edge 2nm process. Smaller transistors mean more power, less heat, and smarter energy use. You'll be running apps, editing 8K videos, gaming at console-level graphics, and this thing won't even break a sweat. And the AI integration? Next level. Apple's new neural engine might finally deliver on the AI promises we've been waiting for. Real-time photo enhancement, predictive battery management, voice control that actually understands context, and even on-device AI assistants that can summarize your day, organize your files, and suggest actions before you even think of them. Imagine your phone learning how you use it, not in a creepy way, but in a helpful, personal way. Like it knows when you're driving, when you're relaxing, when you're working, and it adjusts accordingly. That's where Apple is heading. Personalized intelligence built into every moment of your daily life. But of course, what most people care about is the camera. Because every new iPhone is defined by how much better it can capture life. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a 200-megapixel primary sensor, capable of pulling in incredible detail and dynamic range, whether it's day or night. And for the first time ever, Apple could bring variable aperture to the main lens. That means you'll have control over how much light enters your camera, giving you professional-level control over depth of field, exposure, and motion blur. The result? Cinematic shots that don't just look good, they feel alive. Combine that with Apple's computational photography magic, and your photos and videos might look so good they could pass for something shot on a professional camera rig. The telephoto and ultra-wide lenses aren't being left behind either, with upgraded sensors, improved stabilization, and potentially up to 10x optical zoom. Apple's camera game is heading into DSLR territory. And let's not forget video. 8K ProRes video recording, real-time depth editing, and enhanced motion tracking could make this the dream device for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a phone anymore. It's becoming a studio, a creative powerhouse, a pocket-sized production machine. And all of this power will need serious support, which is why Apple might finally introduce the new C2 modem. Designed in-house for faster, more efficient 5G and beyond. Some early leaks even whisper about 6G testing capabilities, meaning the iPhone 18 Pro Max could already be ready for the next generation of connectivity before the rest of the world even catches up. Combine that with Wi-Fi 7 support, satellite, connectivity improvements, and up to 2 terabytes of storage. Yes, 2 terabytes. And you're looking at a phone that can literally replace your laptop for almost everything. But here's where things get interesting. Apple isn't just making this phone more powerful, it's making it more sustainable. Recycled titanium, carbon-neutral manufacturing, and even biodegradable packaging might become standard with this model. The charging port? That's still up for debate. While USB-C is likely to remain, insiders say Apple might be pushing for an entirely portless model. Full MagSafe and wireless data transfer. No cables, no clutter, no compromises. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: sound. Apple could be introducing a completely redesigned audio chamber that produces deeper bass, sharper clarity, and immersive 3D spatial audio directly from the device itself. Imagine watching a movie or playing a game where the sound seems to move around you, even without headphones. That's the kind of sensory leap Apple wants to deliver. And when you do pair it with AirPods or Vision Pro, the experience will likely sync seamlessly into Apple's larger ecosystem. Your phone, your headset, your watch, all talking to each other, predicting your needs and creating one unified digital experience that just feels effortless. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could also bring new health tracking integrations, especially if paired with Apple Watch. Real-time stress detection through voice tone analysis, passive emotion tracking, and environmental awareness could make this not just a device you use, but a companion that looks after you. Now, the big question everyone will ask: the price. Expect premium to mean premium. Rumors suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max might start around $1,299, depending on configuration, with the 2TB model crossing the $2,000 mark. But remember, this isn't just a phone anymore. It's your camera, your console, your studio, your AI assistant, your creative toolkit, and your daily manager. And for millions of people, that kind of power in one device is worth every dollar. The release timeline? If Apple follows tradition, we're looking at a September 2026 reveal, with pre-orders launching within the same week. But until then, Apple's silence is strategic. They want the suspense, the speculation, the anticipation, because when Apple breaks its silence, the world listens. Now, should you upgrade? If you're using an iPhone 15 or older, absolutely. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you're already on the 17 Pro Max, you'll have to ask yourself, do you want evolution or revolution? Because the 18 Pro Max looks like the beginning of a revolution, one that might make every previous model feel instantly obsolete. And let's be honest, Apple knows how to play that emotional card. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another product, it's an experience built to make you feel something. That spark when you first unbox it, that whisper of perfection when you swipe across the display, that confidence that you're holding the best phone on the planet. And that's what Apple sells better than anyone. Not specs, not chips, not features, but feelings. That sense that this, right here, is the future in your hand. So, when you hear about the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the hidden camera, the ultra-bright display, the 200mm lens, the AI so smart it predicts what you'll do next, remember this: you're not just buying a phone, you're buying into the next era of personal technology. A world where your phone isn't just a tool, it's an extension of you. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't trying to compete with other phones. It's competing with what you expect from reality itself. And if Apple gets it right, it might just win. So keep your eyes open, your wallets ready, and your curiosity alive, because when the iPhone 18 Pro Max finally arrives, it's not just going to be another launch. It's going